before the King. Make a joyful noise before your Maker, before our God, before our Redeemer. Come on, somebody. Come on, somebody. Just make a noise. 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 Anaconda la pay. Epelia ela. Panaconia. Epeletai. Make a noise before the King. Make a noise before him. Make a noise. Make a noise before him. Let them begin to applaud. Let them praise him. Anaconda la pay. Make a joyous noise before the King. Let him hear your voice. Let him hear your voice. Hey! Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise. Make a joyful noise. Let there be a sound. Let the move of this ground and sing on it. Let there be a sound. When the church comes together, don't play and make it sound. If you get it up and the way, you just sing it. Let us make a joyful noise. Joyful noise. And I. A joyful noise before our King. We are making a joyful noise. Just make a noise. Just make a noise. Just make a noise. The prince of this place is the Lord. And never will be broken. All things are shifting. We're going to make a joyful noise. the place has been dethroned. The principality has been arrested. Oh, the strongholds have been disarmed. Oh, put those Satanist Kali. Oh, put me away, Kali. I feel the thing out of glory. There's something that will hit in this place. No para, dai. Apelia, Sonia, dai. When the Lord returned the captives, it was like a dream. You don't understand who the Lord, who are the Lord, but you saw me up. You know what I pool. Never had your pool. You never had your pool. Now what I want to say, Lord, they're gonna tell us. Let's see what you know. You know what is the Lord? Hello, Tony. What the intercessors have been praying for, the Lord has granted us victory. The fasting and the devotion that have been made concerning this territory, the Lord has just granted us victory. Make a joyfulness for the last time. A noise of thanksgiving.